Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today, dearest Kaylee, Noah, and I will be exploring a new location in Minneapolis, Minnesota, known as Bridal Falls. I have known about this location for the last 6 years, but I've been too afraid to come here because I'm scared that it won't have turned out or been worth it, and I've also been stuck at going to the same locations over and over, but this year my goal is to break out of that.
This park's actually nice.
I know, it's actually not that bad.
I like all the graffiti and
I do
walls
too.
and stuff.
It's actually a really interesting part of Minneapolis.
It is.
It's been about a year since Kaylee and I last hung out, and this is our first video back, and it was an amazing day. Had a blast. Missed hanging out with her so much, and I cannot wait to have more days like this. This is it.
Oh my god. It's actually pretty.
Yep, it's not flowing as much.
Doesn't sound like it's flowing at all. Probably because it's 3 fucking degrees out.
I hear it flowing a little.
But it does look cool. I will give it that.
Yeah, with the graffiti and
It
everything.
actually looks cooler than I thought it was going to be.
Over here. Don't get the words in it.
Oh, hang on. I got that on video. Ah, god damn it. Yeah, it looks like a bust. Oh! Your camera lens!
You got it on film too.
I did.
Oh my god.
Whee!
After we picked up Kaylee and Noah and before we came to the falls, we stopped at Best Buy so I could get a new stabilizer because mine stopped working. It died on me before we got here. So in these clips, I am trying to figure out or get a hang of using my new stabilizer. Of course. Alright, so that does not work. I edited this video in order of how it was recorded. If you'd like to see the polished version including the photos I took and learn the interesting but sad history, check out the video on my main channel. The video will be up April 19th.
There's a waterfall. He's not wrong.
Oh, I know. It's kind of sad.
I don't know, I think waterfalls are cool frozen.
See, I personally I love waterfalls, but some people frozen waterfalls I don't really enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you think it's worth it or not. And there are little groups like mixed reviews of the location.
We thought it was pretty, but
exactly, but the guys not so much.
yeah.
So I'll love to hear what you guys think of it. If you'd like to see Kaylee's point of view from this location, check out her video. Her link will be in the description. We're heading off to the mall now.
Oh, that's where we're going. We're like, where are we going?
If you want to come to the Mall of America on the weekends, but don't want to spend 30 minutes to an hour trying to find a parking spot, then either come early in the morning right as it opens or after 6 p.m. We ate at Cowboy Jack's. This is all of our first time eating here. The food is really good, but it is a bit expensive. For drinks, I got a roasted jalapeno margarita, Kaylee got Sex on the Beach, and the guys got some type of beer, and Darius and I also got a Mountain Dew to share. Kaylee and I got the buffalo chicken wrap, Noah got wings, and Darius got the Cowboy burger.